subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update.
Ultimate durability begins with a solid block of aluminium, machined into a seamless structure. Combined with an internal metal plate, this reinforces the core of the device. One strong twist locks it in place. This is an approach to engineering that is built to last. It's this strength on the inside that inspires the beauty on the outside. Great engineering deserves bold design. Diamond-cut edges and a two-tone anodizing process reflect an attention to detail that brings the new Nokia 6 to life. A focus on quality, design, and craftsmanship, a part of every Nokia smartphone.
And cloud experiences, whether they're 100 or 10,000 kilometers away. Fulfill your network's true potential with maximum capacity and programmability radically simplified. Unleash the ultimate chip innovation designed to dynamically maximize every wavelength in your network. Pioneered by the innovators at Nokia Bell Labs, the PSE-3 is shaping the future.